Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your critical thinking sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome to NOF Critical Thinking Champions League Class 4. In this video, we are solving sample paper 4. Each question will be explained clearly and all calculations will be solved step by step. So let's begin with the question number 1. Question number 1. A restaurant serves 120 people in 4 hours. How many people do they serve in 10 hours? Option A 250, B 280, C 300 and D 350. So in 4 hours they are serving 120 people. So in 1 hour 120 divided by 4, which is equal to 30 people. So in 1 hour they are serving 30 people. So in 10 hours they will serve 10 into 30 people. That is 300. So our correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. A man pushes his car to the hotel and loses all his money. Why? A. He was playing Monopoly. B. He got robbed. C. His car broke down. D. He forgot his wallet. Here the correct answer is option A. Why? Because this is a riddle. In the game Monopoly, player push tokens. If a player lands on a hotel, they lose money. So he was playing Monopoly. Our next question is question number 3. In a family of 6 members, each person shakes hand with every other person exactly once. How many total handshakes are there? A 15, B 20, C 25 and D 30. So total handshakes is n minus 1 divided by 2. So here n is 6. N is 6. N is equals to 6. So 6 into 6 minus 1 divided by 2. So 6 minus 1 is 5. So 6 into 5 divided by 2. So 30 divided by 2. That is 15. So our correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 4. A farmer wants to build a fence around a rectangular garden. The length of the garden is twice the width. If the perimeter of the garden is 60 meters, what is the area of the garden? A 200 meters square, B 300 meters square, C 400 meters square and D 500 meters square. So here let width be x and the length be 2x. This is the width and this is the length, and the perimeter formula is 2 into 2x plus x, which is equals to 6x, and 6x is equals to 60. Okay, so x is equals to 10. So we got a value of width is 10 and a length is 2 into 10, that is 20. So area is 20 into 10, that is 200 meter square. So our correct answer is option A. The next question is question number 5. A number is tripled, then 4 is subtracted from the result, and then the final result is divided by 2. The final answer is 10. What is the original number? A 5, B 7, C 8 and D 10. So here we have to work backward. 10 into 2, that is 20. 20 plus 4, that is 24, and 24 divided by 3, that is 8. So our correct answer is 8, that is option C. Our next question is question number 6. A train travels 30 km in 45 minutes. How far will it travel in 3 hours at the same speed? A 120 km, B 130 km, C 150 km and D 160 km. So 45 minutes means 0.75 hours. 0.75 0.75 hours. So speed is equals to 30 divided by 0.75, that is equals to 40 kmph, 40 kilometer per hour. So in 3 hours, it is equals to 40 into 3, that is 120 kilometer. That is 120 kilometer. So our correct answer is option A. The next question is question number 7. If 3a plus 2b is equals to 19 and 4a plus b is equals to 17, what is the value of a? A3, B4, C5 and D6. So from 4a plus b is equals to 17, it gives us b is equals to 17 minus 4a. So substitute in first equation. So 3a plus 2 into 17 minus 4a. It gives us 19, and solving gives a is equals to 3. So our correct answer is option A. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 8. Which of the answer figures is exactly the mirror image of the given question figure when the mirror is held at xy? So this is the question figure. So this is the mirror. So when the mirror is on the xy, this image will be reflected like this. I will remain the same. So these are the first two letters. So if we see here, we can see that 1, yes, it can be. 2, no, it cannot be. Third, no, because this is M. We need a inverted W. So no. Fourth one, no, because this is WINDOW reflected this way. So the correct answer is 1, and 1 is given in the options. Yes, the D says 1. So our correct answer is option D. Question number 9. Find the missing figure in the series from the given answer figures. So this is the question figure. Let's find the answer. So this is going downwards. This is coming downwards, and in this step it comes one step down. In the next step this comes one step here. So what will come in the next step? This will go more down. So this will reach here. So option 1 is the correct option, and 1 says A. So here is the correct answer. Question number 10. If 2 pencils and 3 erasers cost $0.75 and 3 pencils and 2 erasers cost $0.85, what is the cost of one pencil? A. $0.10, B. $0.15, C. $0.21 and D. $0.25. So solve simultaneously equations. Subtract the two equations to eliminate erasers. Find the value of one pencil, and the result will be $0.21. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 11. Which of the answer figures is exactly the mirror image of the given question figure when the mirror is held at xy? So the question figure is this, running. So running will be reflected something like this. So where we can see a figure which says something like this in the starting place of the left side. Can we see it in the first one? No. Can we see it in the second one? No. Can we see it in the third one? Yes. Can we see it in the fourth one? No. So our correct answer is hence third one. And where is the third one in option C? So correct answer is option C. Question number 12. A train traveling at a constant speed crosses a 200-meter long bridge in 20 seconds and a 300-meter long platform in 30 seconds. What is the length of the train? So the speed is equals to train plus 200 divided by 20. Also train plus 300 divided by 30. And when we solve these two equations, it gives us 0 meter, which is not possible in reality. So this answer is assumption based and a logical based. So the correct answer is option C. The next question is question number 13. Find the missing figure in the series from the given answer figures. So let's have a look here. We can see this cross pattern here, which is moving here in the second image. It is moving here in the third image. So we need this cross pattern here on the top in the fourth image. So what we can see in the first one and in the fourth one, the cross pattern is on the top. So yes, 1 and 4 can be the options. So now have a look at this lining pattern. The lining pattern is also rotating like this. It is in second, in third. So we need here the lining pattern should be on the right in the fourth pattern. So where is it? Yes, we can see that the correct answer is option number 4th. Yes, so the correct answer is option D. Question number 14. A car travels 90 km in 2 hours. What is its speed in meter per second? A. 12.5 meter per second, B. 15 meter per second, C. 10 meter per second, and D. 20 meter per second. So the speed is equals to 90 divided by 2, which is equals to 45 kilometer per hour. So convert to meter per second, that is 45 into 5 divided by 18. It is equals to 12.5 meter per second. So our correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 15. A jar contains red, blue and green marbles in a ratio of 2:3:5. If there are 100 marbles in total, how many blue marbles are there? A 20, B 30, C 40 and D 50. So total parts are 2 plus 3 plus 5, which is equals to 10. So the blue part is of 3. So blue marbles are 3 divided by 10 into 100, that is 30. When we solve this, it gives us 30. So our correct answer is option B. Question number 16. Complete the series by selecting the most appropriate answer figure. So let's have a look at this. This is the question figure and these are the answer figures. So in the first one, we can see there are 3 things. In the second one, yes, they are twisted. So what will come here? We need a pattern which is related to this one. So it has circle and a circle is inside it and something like this. So where we can see this pattern, it is in the fourth one. We can see a circle and we can see a smaller circle inside it and we can see a pattern like this. So our correct answer is the fourth one, and fourth one is in the option D. So our correct answer is option D. Question number 17. A clock loses 5 minutes every hour. If it is set correctly at 6 a.m., what will be the clock read at 12 p.m. noon on the same day? A 11 a.m., B 11:30 a.m., C 12 p.m. and D 11:25 p.m. So from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. there are total of 6 hours. It is a loss of 6 into 5. 6 into 5 because every hour it loses 5 minutes. So in 6 hours it will lose 6 into 5, that is 30 minutes. So 12 after from 6 to after 6 hours it will become 12, and 12 minus 30 minutes it is 11:30. So our correct answer is option B. Next is question number 18. Select the related figure from the given answer figure. So what we can see here is we need exact replica of this. So what we can see here is a lining pattern like this, and in the square it is a lining pattern like this, and in this we are having a simple triangle, and this is a complete opposite. Like this plane triangle was on the right, so here the plane triangle is on the left, so we need this exact replica like this, which has a lines like this, and in the square it has lines like this. So where we can see this pattern, it is in the third one. So yes, our correct answer is the third one, which is in option C. So correct answer is option C. Next question is question number 19. If the sum of two numbers is 20 and their difference is 4, what are the two numbers? A. 10 and 10, B. 12 and 8, C. 14 and 6, D. 15 and 5. So let numbers be x and y. X plus y gives 20 and x minus y gives 4. X minus y gives 4. So solving this gives 12 and 8. So our correct answer is option B. The next question is question number 20. A train covers 600 km in 5 hours. What is its average speed? A. 110 km per hour, B. 100 km per hour, C. 120 km per hour, and D. 130 km per hour. So speed is equals to distance divided by time. So speed is equals to 600, that was a distance, divided by time, that is 5 hours. So 600 divided by 5 is 120 kilometers per hour. So our correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 21. Identify the antonym of diligent. A. Lazy, B. Active, C. Smart, and D. Hardworking. The correct answer is A. Lazy, because diligent means hardworking and lazy means unwilling to work. They are opposites in meaning. Our next question is question 22. If Mike's mother is Lucy's daughter, what is Mike's relationship to Lucy? A. Son, B. Grandson, C. Nephew, and D. Uncle. So Lucy's daughter is Mike's mother. So Lucy is Mike's grandmother. Therefore, Mike is Lucy's grandson. So correct answer is option B. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 23. School is to education as hospital is to dash. A. Medicine, B. Health, C. Doctor, and D. Patient. Here the correct answer is option B, that is health. Why? Because school provides education and hospital provides health. So the correct analogy is health. The next question is question number 24. Why is it important to celebrate differences among people? A. Because diversity makes the world interesting and vibrant. B. To force others to change their ways. C. So everyone becomes the same. D. To make others feel less important. The correct answer is option A. Differences bring new ideas and perspectives, and they make society richer and stronger. So option A is the correct option. Our next question is question number 25. Identify the antonym of generous. A. Selfless, B. Kind, C. Selfish, and D. Thoughtful. The correct answer is option C, that is selfish. Generous means giving and selfish means caring only about oneself. They are opposites. Our next question is question number 26. Why is it important to question the information we hear or read? A. To prove that others are wrong. B. To ensure the information is accurate and reliable. C. To avoid listening to anyone. And D. To make things more confusing. The correct answer is option B. Questioning helps verify facts and it also prevents misinformation. So, to ensure the information is accurate or reliable. Our next question is question number 27. Which word is the antonym of temporary? A. Instant, B. Permanent, C. Short, and D. Current. The correct answer is option B, that is permanent. Temporary means short term and permanence means long lasting. They are opposites. Our next question is question number 28. A is the son of B, C is the sister of A, and D is the mother of B. What is D's relationship to C? A grandmother, B mother, C aunt, and D sister. So D is mother of B, and B is a parent of A and C. Parent of A and C. So D is grandmother of C. So our correct answer is option A. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 29. Why is it important to plan before starting a task? A, to waste time on unnecessary details. B, to ensure the task is done efficiently and successfully. C, to avoid getting started too quickly. D, to make the task as difficult as possible. The correct answer is option B. Planning saves time and effort, and it also avoids mistakes. So the correct answer is to ensure the task is done efficiently and successfully. Our next question is question number 30. If Sarah's uncle is Jack's brother and Jack is Sarah's father, who is Sarah's uncle? A. Jack, B. Sarah, C. Jack's brother, and D. Sarah's cousin. So uncle is father's brother and Jack is father. So uncle is Jack's brother. So correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 31. Why is honesty an important value? A, because it helps build trust with others. B, to make people like us more. C, to avoid getting caught lying. D, to others think we are always right. The correct answer is option A. Honesty creates trust and trust strengthens relationships. So option A is the correct option. Our next question is question number 32. What does the word ambition mean? A, a lack of interest in achieving goals. B, a strong desire to achieve something. C, being satisfied with what you have. And D, avoiding responsibility. The correct answer is option B. Ambitions means strong motivation. It pushes people to achieve goals. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 33. Identify the antonym of abundant. A, scarce. B, plentiful. C, ample. And D, generous. Here the correct answer is option A. Abundant means plenty and scarce means very little. They are opposites. Our next question is question number 34. If A is taller than B and B is taller than C, who is the shortest? A, B, C, or cannot be determined. So C is shorter than B, C is shorter than B, and B is shorter than A. So C is the shortest. So our correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 35. Mirror is to reflection as clock is to dash. A, hands. B, time. C, alarm. D, numbers. The correct answer is option B. Mirror shows reflection and clock shows time. So option B is the correct option. Question number 36. Which word is the antonym of frequently? A, often. B, rarely. C, always. And D, daily. The correct answer is rarely. Why? Because frequently means many times and happening very frequently, very easily and in very minute seconds, and rarely means very few times. So the correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 37. If you rearrange the letters of listen, you can form the word silent. What type of word is this? A, synonym. B, antonym. C, anagram. And D, homophone. The correct answer is option C, that is anagram. Same letters rearranged mean changes. This is anagram. Our next question is question number 38. Human is to brain as heart is to dash. A, lungs. B, blood. C, body. And D, circulation. The correct answer is option B, that is blood. So brain controls human and heart pumps blood. So blood is the correct option. Our next question is question number 39. Which of the following is the opposite of reliable? A. Loyal, B. Trustworthy, C. Untrustworthy, and D. Faithful. Here the correct answer is option C, that is untrustworthy. Why? Because reliable means dependable and untrustworthy means not dependable. Our next question and the last question of this sample paper. Question number 40. A group of students is arranged in a row. John is 10th from the left and 15th from the right. How many students are there in total? A 20, B 24, C 27 and D 32. So what we'll do 10 plus 15 and we'll subtract 1, that is the John. So after doing this, the correct answer is 24. So there are a total of 24 students. So students, we have completed sample paper 4 of class 4.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful